Welcome to the British Council Learning Hub for Secondary Plus students. Okay, we know what you're thinking. What is the Learning Hub? Well, wonder no more. We're going to tell you all about it so you can make the most out of learning English with the British Council. Wouldn't it be great if you could feel more confident to communicate in English? The Learning Hub is going to help you get there. You'll get to practice your English before and after class so that you come to class feeling more prepared in order to make more progress. And that in turn will help you become more confident. So it works like this. At the end of each class, your teacher sets you activities to do on the Learning Hub. This could be every week, every few weeks, but the point is, doing activities on the Learning Hub will give you more time to practice speaking when in class. Perfect. First, you need to log on using the email address and password used to create your account. We have another video to show you how to do this. Once you're logged on, choose the module you're working on. We will demonstrate sensational. Click Continue. Click on Get Ready to find out what you'll be learning about. In the sensational module, you will learn about how senses work in animals and humans. On this bar, you can access each section. Let's go to section 1. On the left-hand side, you can find activities for each section. There's reading, vocabulary, and writing activities. Other sections have also listening and grammar activities. We'll demonstrate a few for you later in this video. First, we'll show you a few helpful features such as your project. Click on section 5 to find out more. In each module, you'll work on a real-life project with your classmates. For example, in Sensational, you'll create a showboard to present at a science fair. The projects are designed to improve not only your English skills, but also life skills such as teamworking and creativity and study skills to help you in school and prepare for university. Now, let's go to the resources section. Here you can view the course magazine you'll use in class. Click on the module title, Sensational, to open the magazine. We'll now show you how to upload a written assignment for your teacher to review. Go to section 5, then click on Project. To upload, drag and drop your file into this box. Then click Save and Submit. An exciting part of the Learning Hub is being able to track your progress. Go to My Progress to see your dashboard and view the progress you're making in each module. Now, let's take a closer look at the activities that will help you prepare for class and work towards your end of module project. We'll demonstrate a few for you. Section 1 and the first activity focuses on improving your reading skills. Read the blog My Life as a Deaf Teen. Then answer true or false questions on what you've just read. Click Finish to check the ones you've got correct. I got 4 out of 6. Not bad. Let's use verbs to talk about the 5 senses and complete these sentences. The words to choose from are in this box. Let's do the first sentence. Click on the empty space in the sentence, and then on the word that you want to go there. Let's go to the next one. If you change your mind, click on the box again, and the word will go back up. Once complete, click Finish, and you'll see what answers you got correct. You can also click on the speakerphone icon to listen to the sentences. Let's go to section 2. We'll do an exercise that improves your listening skills. We'll play a short clip of the interview. Listen for the answers to these sentences. So when you're ready, click play.
Welcome to the Sense Show. Today we have a special guest, 14-year-old Keith Russell, who's been blind since birth.
Now choose the correct answer. Then click the arrow to go to the next sentence. There are 6 in total. Right. We know you're probably thinking, this is the best learning hub I have ever seen. Well, guess what? There's more. Tips, and lots of them. Let's practice pronunciation. This tip suggests recording yourself speaking on your phone, then listening back to hear your pronunciation. Excellent! And that's it, friends. Come and join us on the Learning Hub. We're with you every step of the way, and we really look forward to seeing you in class soon. Bye!